How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Let's get started. Now, in order to fix that error code SS06, there are a few steps that you have to do. First of all, you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. Now, to do that, first of all, open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for Snapchat. And your application is missing out any updates, you will have this update option. You have to tap on Snapchat and then tap on update. Now, depending upon your internet connection, this might take some time to get updated. Now, once you have updated your Snapchat application, the second step that you have to do is you have to clear cache of Snapchat from your device. For that, open up Snapchat from your device and make sure to log in with your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner and tap on it. You will get to your profile page. Now from here again, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now under the settings, scroll down a bit. And under account action, there is an option as clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Here it says all of your caches will be cleared. Your memory backup won't be deleted. So tap on continue. Now once you have successfully cleared cache, you have to go and check whether the issues has been solved or not. If still not, then you have to uninstall the application from your device. For that, navigate to Snapchat application in your device, tap and hold on it. Then from here, tap on App Info, then simply uninstall this application. After you uninstall it, install back from the Google Play Store. After you install it back, you have to log it back to your account. Once you're logged in, and then your issues will be solved. So that's how you fix Snapchat support code SS06, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.